Hey masterminds, welcome back to Masterandlearnit, where we make learning easy and fun. In today's video, we want to learn about fractions, and we're going to learn what's the numerator, what's the denominator, and how we apply fractions in real life, like sharing pizzas and sharing pocket money. So you don't want to miss this video. Sit back, grab your pen and a paper, and let's start writing. Okay, so what is a fraction? A fraction is part of one whole. It's part of something. It's either you have one pizza and you want to split your pizza into different pieces. These are what we call fraction. So let's learn how to deal with this fraction. So basically, I want us to write 2/3. The number that's on top, we call it the numerator. And the number at the bottom, we call it the denominator. Okay, so the numerator is on top, the denominator D down, it's at the bottom. And what do these guys really mean? Let's have an example here. I have one whole chocolate bar and I decide to split it into two pieces, though my pieces are not equally halfway, but I split it like this. And I decide to eat only this part. So how many pieces did I eat? I cannot say I ate one chocolate because I just ate part of one of the chocolate. So I only ate one. That's my numerator. And how many pieces were there before eating any piece? There were 1, 2. So that's 2. And we call this one a half. How about you have the same bar of chocolate and you split it into 3 pieces, but this time maybe you're really craving for a chocolate, you eat 2 of them, okay? So you eat this piece and you eat this part. And we say represent that as a fraction. You would write this as I add 2 out of 1, 2, 3. So do you notice that the numerator tells you what you have eaten or what you haven't eaten? For example, if I want to know what is it that I didn't eat, I just didn't eat 1 out of all the pieces, 3. So you can notice that the numerator tells you what you have taken or what you haven't taken. The denominator represents all the parts that you have broken it into. Here, if I say represent this, suppose you have these dots here and there and there and there and there. So think of this as a pizza, and you guys are really craving for a pizza, so you add a lot of pieces and you want to represent that as a fraction. The first thing is to know how many pizzas did we eat. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we add 6 pieces, but how many pieces were there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 8. So your numerator being 6 and your denominator being 8. So that's how we represent a fraction. So this we can read it as 6/8. 6 out of 8, whichever way you want to read your fraction. So this is the basic video about fractions, to know that a fraction has a number at the top, which is a numerator, and a number at the bottom, which is a denominator. The numerator tells you what you've taken or what you've left, and the denominator tells you everything that you have or how many pieces you had initially. I hope you like this video, and if you really find this video to be helpful, share it to your friends. Always subscribe to Masterandlearnit, where we make learning easy and fun. Watch the next video where we do additions of fraction. See you in the next video.